Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy Solana directly within MetaMask. Excitingly, MetaMask now offers native support for Solana, meaning you no longer need complex workarounds. You can create a new Solana account or import an existing one right inside your MetaMask wallet. This update allows you to manage your Solana and SPL tokens alongside your Ethereum assets, all from one convenient interface. To get started, first ensure your MetaMask wallet is updated to the latest version. Once updated, open MetaMask and navigate to the network's menu. Here, you should find and select the Solana network. You then have the option to create a brand new Solana account or import an existing one using a recovery phrase. Remember to always securely store any new recovery phrases. Once your Solana account is set up in MetaMask, you can fund it in a few ways. One common method is to purchase Solana on a centralized exchange and then transfer it directly to your MetaMask Solana address. Alternatively, you can use MetaMask's integrated swap feature to convert other cryptocurrencies into Solana. You can also bridge assets from an EVM chain to Solana directly within MetaMask. With Solana integrated into MetaMask, you can now seamlessly connect to and interact with various Solana decentralized applications. When prompted, simply select MetaMask to approve transactions, just as you would on an Ethereum virtual machine chain. This native support brings the benefits of Solana's fast transactions and low fees directly to your familiar MetaMask interface, streamlining your multi-chain crypto experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.